Welcome back to today's video, and what we're going to be looking at today is how we can zoom in and out with Excel. So there's various different ways. I'm going to be showing you 3 ways that we can do this today. Some are a little bit more cumbersome than others, and one of the ways that I like to do it, so we'll just get straight into it and have a look. The first way then is up in the top bar here. If we click into view, we can see that on the ribbon here we have this zoom kind of part here. We have the zoom 100% and the zoom selection. If we click on the zoom part here, we can see that it brings up this little box where we can click to the 100%, and we can see that it will move the zoom to 100%, and we can change that again, clicking onto 200%, and again that will zoom us in. Or if we want to zoom out, we can go to 50%. And you can see that it zooms all the way out. Using this middle one here, if we click to 100, we can see that just reverts it back to its default of 100. If we want to select a certain part, we can select that part, and if we click on the zoom to selection part, what it'll do now is, as you can see, it'll zoom right in and it'll zoom to that particular part. It zoomed a little bit off the screen there as I've got a extra wide monitor, so it kind of made it look right for me, but I guess it'll go out of focus a little bit for you guys. So we can see now down in the bottom right hand corner for Excel, if we click on the 100%, we can see that the second option that we have to use is this little bit of a slidey thing. So this is a little bit less cumbersome, where you can click either the plus or minus there, and I just had it kind of a couple at a time, or you can actually slide it up and down, which makes it a lot quicker as you're moving it around, and you'll be able to slide in and out. Probably the most effective way that everybody will use to zoom in and out of an Excel is if you hold the control button and then scroll with your middle mouse button there, just moving up and down. You can see that will just move it in and out for you. So you can see that it's a little bit jerky at times, but if you select a particular cell, then when you zoom in, you can see that it automatically moves towards that cell for you that you have pre-selected, and makes it a little bit easier for you. So hopefully this makes it a little bit easier and shows you some ways that you can effectively zoom in and out of Excel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and hopefully it helps. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you again soon.